tribute to our beloved mom. Today we pay tribute to an extraordinary woman, my beloved mom. Words can never fully express how much you meant to me or how deeply you are missed. You are the foundation of our family, a woman of strength, wisdom, kindness, and unconditional love. You taught us the true meaning of compassion, resilience, humility, and faith. Through every challenge, you stood by us with courage and encouraged us to keep moving forward. Your love was selfless. Your heart was generous, and your prayer covered us every day. You celebrated our success, comforted us in our struggles, and always believed in us, even when we doubted ourselves. Although you are no longer with us, your legacy lives on through the values you instilled us and the love you shared so freely. We will forever cherish the memories, the love, the lesson, and the precious moment we were blessed to spend with you. Mom, you may be gone from our sight, but you will never be gone from our hearts. We thank God for the gift of life and for the privilege of caring you our mother. Privilege of calling you our mother. Rest in eternal peace, dear Mom. You will always be loved, forever missed, and never forgotten. Until we meet again, your memory will remain a guiding light in our lives.
Her children arise and call her blessed.
Today, I honor and celebrate the life of my beloved mother, a woman whose love, sacrifice, kindness, and unwavering faith shaped my life in countless ways. Mom, you are more than a parent. You are my teacher, my guide, my friend, and my greatest source of strength. Your gentle words lifted me when I felt weak. Your prayers covered me when I could not pray for myself. And your unconditional love gave me the courage to face life's challenges. It was on a Sunday morning when I received the heartbreaking news that you were gone. In that moment, my world almost came to an end. The pain of losing you is one I never imagined I would have to bear, and not a day goes by without thinking of you. You always welcomed us home with an open arms and grateful hearts. Even when we had very little, you never made us feel inadequate. Instead, you filled our hearts with love, warmth, and hope. Your home was a place of peace, laughter, and belonging. During your last days, you kept telling us not to worry too much or trouble ourselves. Little did I know those were your quiet moments, quiet words of preparation before your journey home. If only I had known how little time we had left together, I would have held on to every moment, even more dearly. You are the best grandmother to our children. Every school holiday, they looked forward to going to the village to spend time with you. Those precious moments of laughter, stories, love, and care will remain treasured memories that they will carry with them for the rest of their lives. You taught us the value of faith, hard work, humility, and compassion. The sacrifices you made for your family can never be repaid, but they will never be forgotten. Your life was a beautiful testimony of selfless love, resilience, and devotion. Though your physical presence is no longer with us, your legacy lives on through the value you instilled in us. With all the love and gratitude, I simply say, thank you, Mom. Thank you for loving us completely. Your love will never be forgotten. Rest peacefully in the arms of the Lord until we meet again.
Tribute to our beloved Shoes. Today, we celebrate the beautiful life of our beloved Shoes, a woman whose love, wisdom, and kindness left a lasting mark on everyone who knew her. Shoes, you are the heart of our family. Your warm embrace, gentle smile, and comforting words made every moment spent with you special. You taught us the importance of faith, humility, hard work, and unconditional love. Through your actions, you showed us what it means to care for others selflessly. Your home was always a place of peace, laughter, and togetherness. You welcomed everyone with open arms, and each person felt valued and loved. Your strength through life's challenges inspired us to face our own with courage and hope. Although our hearts are heavy because you are no longer with us, we're deeply grateful for the memories you gave us. Since you taught us the legacy of love you leave behind, your spirit will continue to live on in our hearts and in the values you instilled in our family. Rest peacefully, dear Shoes. You may be gone from our sight, but never from our hearts. Thank you for loving us completely. We miss you, always cherish you forever, and honor your memory every day. Forever out, forever remembered, forever missed. I leave you with the words, Proverbs 14 and 30. And this goes to the whole family. Ti thayo wa ngoro tumaga mwiri ugie na hinya hindi uiru nitaworu kwi mahindi-ini.
Na inyu akiuga yemeni family no ndamenya tha ici ni hinda ria wirito muno moera imokoro uguo ugaikaia mahethayo. Thank you. Tribute area ya Brian tondu ni recorded arecordete kindu 28 minutes na kwaria ma ndagika 28 MacD andu amarugamite haha hatiguthie wega ngwenda na family mwitikire uguo tondu turamenya mundu ambagia na ngeithi niguthie tiguo turamenya mundu ambagia na ngeithi ageithania tugeithike icoke yathita ndagika 2 MacD ni undu wa kumenyerera aya mati ni undu wa riwa yathita ndagika 2 we ukihoretie kaundu na Ngai ni egututeithia na family ni mukuigana tiguo ndamuthaitha eni riu reke tuthikiririe Brian.
And remember, my beloved grandmother, a woman whose love,
Ai, aragi uguo.
Today we gather to honor and remember my beloved grandmother, a woman whose love and kindness and strength touched everyone who knew her. She was the heart of our family, always welcoming us with warmth, wisdom, and unconditional love. Her gentle guidance, caring words, and generous spirit created continuously memory that we will cherish forever. My grandmother taught us the importance of family, compassion, hard work, and faith. Through her example, she showed us how to face life challenge with grace and dignity. Her love was a gift that made us feel safe, valued, and deeply cared for. Although we mourn her passing, we are grateful for the time she shared with her and for although we mourning her passing, we are grateful for the time she shared with her and for the legacy she left behind. Her lesson, her love will continue to live on our hearts, and in the life will continue to live on in our hands, and in the life she touched. Grandma, you may no longer be with us in position, but your spirit remain with us every day. We will miss you daily. Remember you always.
Ai, kinyia hau nä njå nä nene piå no ä tä kä ra gå kinyia hau nä å ndå wa aya me riåa-inä na nä getha hathiä wega githä tikuä thengio må no bamä mwathani ara må he hinya må he thayå toguo mwahoerwo nä batha na igongona rä u batha må rutä ra ithaka å guo rä ro må rå gamä rä ra ambai må coke gä tä-inä. Asante sana batha å ngä njä tä kä ria no njä te må cokia wa ngatho acokie ngatho å guo Mr.